Okay, welcome to tutorial 3 of setting up the manufacturing process for the die. In this tutorial, we're going to set up a tool that represents our laser and its kerf. And the way we're going to do that is you're going to head up here. Hopefully you've already done all your setups. There they are. That was the last video. I only showed you one, but you had to create a setup for each side. So I've got these machine setups. So now I'm thinking about tooling. So I'm going to head up here to Manage, and I'm going to go up to my tool library, and you won't have anything in yours but some sample tools all set up by Fusion, but we're going to have to add a 0.008 or 8/1000th of an inch kerf tool for our laser. So the way you're going to do that is you're going to head over here to local, and while you're in local you can head up to this button here that says import, and you're going to import a tool from somewhere. You're going to go find it. Well, where are you going to find it? Well, here's where you're going to find it. Just like last time on our class website, I've got in tutorial 3, you will need this file. Well, you click on it. It downloads a zip. You don't want the zip file. You open the zip file, and what should pop up, it's on my other screen, is this file. It's called lasertools.tools. The extension is tools. And we right click, we copy, we'll stick that the same place we did the last one, documents. We have a drafting 10 folder here, and it looks like it's paste right there. Okay, so now that that's in there, I can, let's get rid of this, there we go. I can go find that over here, documents, drafting 10, this is me searching for a tool from the library, remember there, open or import, and that's the tool I want. I push open. When I do that, in comes my laser kerf tool. Now I can use that tool, and that will be the subject of the next video. We'll hit close. You've imported the tool that I've already set up for you. I'm not going to go into setting up a tool. It's not that hard, but it was probably easier just to import it. So that's it for now. Next video, we'll discuss how to apply that tool to these machine setups that we've created.